Hello, beautiful urban city, little tiny man-made pond. How the heck are you? Hey, what's up? Any luck? Yeah, there's supposed to be pike in here, but I heard quite a few got killed in over the winter. Oh, I don't know about carp. I'm not sure. But I know there's pike. There's probably suckers maybe. I'm gonna go try the river. I just wanted to throw a cast in here and see if I can get any pike to hit. Yeah. Yeah, there's fish in there. There's supposed to be walleye and walleye, pike, trout. But I heard that like they do aerate this in the winter. But I heard they got stuck on one side and couldn't get oxygen, so there was supposed to be a whole bunch of dead pike on this side when it thawed out, I heard. Yeah. I'm on YouTube. I'm the Addicted Angler. The Addicted Angler on YouTube. Yeah. Yep. Yep, that's me, man. What's your name? Right on, Will. You're in my video. Yeah, man. Good luck. I am very excited. I am very excited. My dad has finally arrived. I guess I gave him bum instructions, but or directions. But he is here. We are fishing, and hopefully we catch something so I can make a darn video out of this. I'll introduce you to him in a minute. Oh, those are pelicans. Are they pelicans? Yeah, they're monstrous. Like, those don't look big, but they're huge. If you see it, you can't even see the ducks that are over there, Pop. And there's ducks right beside them, man. Like, this is where I'm fishing right here. Yeah, in all this calmness, yeah. Yeah, that's right. I mean, if they're biting, no, they sure aren't. Right, that's right where he was. Come on, hit it now. Sheesh, that kind of felt like a bite there. Maybe I'm hallucinating, wishful thinking. Got one. Yep. Don't know what it is. Am I recording? I am. Yeah, I got one. Yeah. Oh, it's a Goldeye too. That's what I was targeting. I think it's a Goldeye. Yeah. Oh, maybe not. It's a trout. No, it's not. It's a Goldeye. That's exactly what we're chasing. Wow, good size too. That's a Goldeye. And these things are like so expensive to buy as a yeah, this for smoked ones. Like, if you go to Safeway and check out for smoked Goldeye, see, there you go, folks. They're really expensive. I'm gonna let them. Are we keeping them? No, we're not keeping them.
I was gonna, then you could make the fishing almost pay for itself. If you can keep them.
So I had an absolutely incredible day out fishing with my dad. I'm so thankful. It's the first time that he's ever actually wanted to be on film and come out fishing. But it was just like everything was perfect. Super hot out, beautiful day. The water was crystal clear. Wildlife around us. There was pelicans. There was ducks. Lots of people walking by with dogs. It's a pretty common dog park. But yeah, just want to give a super heavy shout out and thank you to my dad for tolerating my silly fishing addiction. Thanks, Dad.
Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Gotta do your fishing call. Yeah. Have to bring a taser. Just electrify them. Electrocute. Alright. Back to the only spot I caught one. Let's see. Yeah, maybe catch him again. Yeah. Tag him. Oh man, that felt like a fish. Probably weed. Do I have a weed on there? Yep. It'll tell you there's 10 new listings since you last looked, right? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I got him. Nice, there we got it. It's a Goldeye. I can tell. You can just see him. He's coming towards you, Pop. Just a littler one, but
Goldeye, but they're quite silver.
yeah. Oh, their eyes are gold. Yeah, yeah. That's why they're called deadly. Oh, he's bleeding a bit, but you should feel their teeth, Pop. They got pretty sharp teeth. Yeah, there we go. He's a little smaller, yep. So there's a moon eye and a Goldeye. They look identical, but there's something about this fin that's different. But we're gonna let him go, folks. We're gonna let him go. See you, buddy. Oh, oh, he's bleeding. Oh, he's gone like a gunshot.
He'll attract some pike now, maybe.
Yes. Right. I know exactly where he was too. Right there. Watch this. Come on. Another one. Maybe they'll just all of a sudden turn on. This feels funny. I wonder if it's fouled up. No, it's spinning. Deadly. We got double header. We got to both catch one at the same time now. Oh, there's another one. Come on, Poppy. I did. Oh, this one's fighting good. Oh, he's in the weeds. That's why. Look at him there, Pop. Oh, there he is. Yeah, sturgeon fishing. Nice. Come here, buddy. We got you good. You got all the plans. There we go. Goldeye City. Pretty Goldeye on that. That's a nice fish. Let's let him go. Oh, yep, that way. Whoa, see how they're just invisible as soon as they're 5 feet away. Yeah.
Big one, huh?
Shout out to my pup for coming out. Finally got him out, and although he got skunked,
Beautiful day.
it was a beautiful day and we got out. Thanks for watching, folks. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Kapow. Kapow.